In this video, you will learn how to add, edit, and delete video testimonials to your web page. Starting from the main dashboard, go ahead and select whichever website you are currently editing. I'm going to be working off of sportsfootage.com. After selecting the website, you'll be able to hover over and select any page that you would like to add video testimonials to. I'm going to go ahead and work off of this testimonials template, and so just click on whichever page you would like to customize. After selecting a page, the most recent version of that page will automatically load and we can start customizing. So regardless of what page you're on, you can navigate up to the Other Links menu, click on that, and under Page Settings, we're looking to click on our display icon. After clicking that display icon, you will see all of your page display options. Now what we want to do is look under our testimonials section and make sure that video testimonials are not hidden from sight. So we can click on this eye icon to unhide video testimonials section, and then we're going to navigate up to Save, and you will see your testimonial videos now appear. So in this tutorial, we're going to be covering how to change this header text, as well as how to add, delete, or change these testimonial videos. So if you'd like to change or stylize this heading text, go ahead and hover over it. To change the text, you're looking for the letter icon. You'll see on the orange menu bar a T. Let's click on that to change the text. After clicking that icon, you will see a content text block appear where you can highlight this text. Let's go ahead and delete it, and we can change it to our customers. For example, you can add whatever text you would like here. And remember, once you're satisfied, go ahead and click Save. After clicking Save, you can further customize this text by changing the font, by changing the gradient, adding a drop shadow or an outline, by hovering over the text and clicking Style the Text. After clicking Stylize Text, you will see a menu bar where you can further customize this text appear on the right-hand side of the screen. You can change the font family, add an icon to your text, change the size for desktop or mobile, the colors. You can change the animation of the text, capitalization, italics. If you get confused or you're unclear about any one of these options, we've recorded a separate lesson on stylizing your text, which you can check out for further explanation. But once you're done and satisfied with how your text looks, go ahead and remember to click Save. After clicking Save, let's move on to the videos. Hovering over any one of these videos, you'll be able to change the video link by clicking on the Change Link icon. Here you will see the option to upload a URL end number of any YouTube or Vimeo video. The end number is the number that appears after the last dash after vimeo.com or youtube.com at the end of your URL. So you don't want to be pasting your entire URL into this section, only the URL end number. Now there are examples for Vimeo and YouTube here, so you don't get confused. After inserting either a YouTube or Vimeo URL number, you can change the name of your testimonial video to match the client or customer who's giving the testimonial for SEO purposes, and then go ahead and click Preview when you're done. Now, to further customize the border and the spacing between each one of these videos, check out our videos on margins and padding, as well as adding borders to videos. But essentially what you would do is hover over the video, click Image Styling, and here you'll be able to change the padding, either top, bottom, left, or right, as well as add a border if you would like to your video. The last thing that we're going to be covering in this video is how to delete or add new videos to this section. In order to delete a video, simply hover over it. You'll see that menu bar appear and click the Delete This Element icon. After clicking that icon, you will see that that video has disappeared and now we only have two. But let's say we wanted to add one. Well, same rules apply. Hover over the video element and click the plus icon to add a copy of this video. After adding a video, of course, you can again stylize that video as well as change the link of the video so that you have complete control over which video you're adding. To summarize, we've gone over how to add this section to any web page on your website, how to customize and change the text of the header, how to add or delete these videos, and how to add your own video links to these videos. So now you can get creative with adding video testimonials to any page on your website.